In this video we will showcase about minimal home, from all the details, plans and section of this project. We will also present a real-life walkthrough from the street, and we will also list some of the materials used for the project. Stay tuned and please consider subscribing the channel. Let's start the video with the quotes called, "Home is where our story begins." The built-up area of this house is 1,300 square feet. It is perfect for small and large family. It has 4 bedroom, 2 living room, 1 kitchen and dining, 1 hall for family gathering and a large terrace to enjoy the view of sunset and sunrise. The design of the house is completely modern. A contemporary facade with wooden touch and a slope roof, glass railing and the pergola at the top, adds the cherry on top to the flavor of this design. The roof are made from roofing tile slate, and the pergola's transparent roof can be made of glass or fiber. Back side of the terrace has 2 bathrooms. You can do your laundry and dry them. If you are lover of sunshine, you can take sunbathe here in with privacy. Let's talk about the floor plan. The ground floor. Ground floor consists of 1 living room, 1 kitchen and pantry or store, 1 bedroom with attached bathroom and walk-in closet. The first floor of this house consists of 3 bedrooms, with 1 attached bathroom, a 1 living room and a common bathroom. The top floor consists of 1 large hall for family and friends party, and the 2 bathroom and a huge terrace. The living room and dining are next to each other, where all the family members spend time together while enjoying watching TV, having dinner and cooking the favorite meal. Please enjoy the real-life walkthrough, and stick to the end for the night view of this house. If we see the parking area, it is enough for 1 car and 2 motorcycles. The outdoor gate has the lamp just to keep the light at right spot. These are the outdoor furniture, which are light in weight and most importantly it is weatherproof. If you like this product, you can check them in details below. Here we have used CNC partition to give focus to other side of the building. This is made from PVC material. You can also use metal screen to have similar effect. And lastly, we have used metal gate as main gate. It is transparent and low weight. Thank you for watching. If you have any inquiry, please let us know.